What's up, peoples? It's OG Daneger here, and getting ready to work on a beat on my new MPC Key 61 workstation. It just came out. In fact, they're not out yet. They're taking orders, but I had, I got mine early. Had it for about a month. So I'm getting ready to work on a beat, cook something up in the kitchen, and I thought you might want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when new videos come out. And also, I think on the next video I'll do from beginning to end, from scratch, a how-to kind of video. Anyway, let's see what we got here, what I'm cooking up here. Let me know if you like it. MPC Key 61. I love it. Hit the bell notification, subscribe. See you on the other side. I'm gonna cook something else up and let you see it. Don't forget to hit the notification because that way you'll know when a new video comes out. Peace.